deposition near the seal. It might indicate moisture ingress.
Yes, I see it. We should isolate this pallet immediately.
Slightly high on this one.
All right, make a note and let's check the seal integrity on
this pallet.
Reading at 7%. Looks good.
Seal the next one and mark it cleared.
Moisture levels are below 7% on this shipment.
look good on this batch.
Confirmed. We can proceed with sealing.
I'm showing a slight variance on the humidity.
Optimal, no sign of pests.
Good. Seal it up and move it to the sorting area. Check on lot 72. The beans from the Fazenda farm look excellent, ready for
Check on lot 7G. Confirmed. Moving to the sorting area.
confirmed on the Brazilian harvest. The aroma and texture are exceptional. Lot secured.
Stamped and ready for transport.
Is currently at 3% for this crate. Moving to the next one.
State 2023. Quality check confirmed. Beans look good. Proceeding to sorting.
We sort and dry every single bean by hand to ensure the highest quality before it leaves.
Smoothly at 80% capacity. Good.
Check the temperature on tank 3.
Gently blow away the outer shells, revealing the pure, smooth cacao nibs within. Ensure the alignment is perfect for the finest cut. This batch is crucial for the skilled hands of the operator fine-tune the blades for a precise cut.
And 20 degrees. The beans are cracking just as they should be.
At 120 degrees Celsius, the cracking point is achieved, initiating the caramelization.
Is almost perfect. Just a slight adjustment to the compressed airflow. Consistency is almost perfect now. Let's maintain this speed.
Perfect temper, maintaining the ideal humidity for that flawless finish.
Ensure a perfect finish as the chocolate begins its cooling journey.
for the perfect texture. We maintain precise temperature control throughout the process. Check alignment on the main drive shaft.
Alignment is spot on, ready for system check.
Of the winnowing unit reveals the heart of the cocoa bean. Perfectly separated, these nibs are ready for the
Air jets are calibrated precisely to remove the shell while keeping the nib intact.
Millstones turn. This is where the magic happens, where the nibs become the smoothest chocolate vital.
As the nibs tumble into the drums, the friction develops the rich flavors we look for.
5 degrees.
Confirm your temperature increase now. We are ready for the next phase.
It's perfect. This batch is approved.
Smooth and even. No crystallization detected. Moisture content appears.
Let's raise the temperature just slightly to bring it back to the working curve.
Crucial for that perfect snap. We're looking for a precise temperature and flawless crystallization before molding.
Looks good, very smooth texture. Let's check the weight on this sample.
degrees. Now let's just confirm the crystallization with a quick sample weight.
Exactly 50 degrees. Then cool it to 31, ensuring perfect crystallization and
The coating machine is running smoothly over here. Batch is holding steady at 31.5.
Excellent. The coating machine is ready for
32 degrees. Perfect. The gloss is coming through nicely.
No crystallization. Looks good.
Make sure the temperature is exactly 20 degrees Celsius before releasing the next batch.
Chocolate emerges with a perfect, mirror-like gloss, ready for the next stage.
The camera system ensures every bar meets our strict quality standards, checking for imperfections in the ensures every bar is precisely aligned before moving to the quality control station for final.
Subjected to our rigorous quality control, ensuring perfect weight and finish before.
The whir of the machine ensures every bar is precisely placed and weighed, maintaining perfect calm.
Precision is everything. Every bar is carefully weighed and measured, ensuring perfect
environment. Our automated systems precisely manage inventory, ensuring optimal freshness.
Maintained at a precise 16 degrees Celsius and 40%
Maintains a consistent 16 degrees Celsius with 40% relative humidity, ensuring
Holding steady at 4 degrees. Clear to load. Over.
Roger that. Bring in the next.
From the lush embrace of the cacao groves, through the precise artistry of the factory, comes a
We need to ensure these sustainable practices are actually benefiting the farmers on the ground.
Behind every bar is extensive research, ensuring both perfection and sustainability.
In a data-driven approach to ethical sourcing, ensuring every bar has a positive impact.
ethical sourcing is backed by extensive research, ensuring a positive social and environmental impact.